everybody, welcome back to Owen's Treats. Today we're going to be making hot cocoa bombs to celebrate the new year. And since it's January, it's going to be cold outside. It's snowing probably in some areas. So why not get comfy with some hot chocolate? So to get started, what we will need is a sphere mold, and then we have almond bark, a hot chocolate mix. We're going to be melting this in the microwave. So you want to get a microwavable container. Then we're going to need a utensil to stir in the chocolate so it doesn't clump. And then this is optional, but I'm going to add marshmallows. Our first step is that we're going to have to melt the chocolate. So what we're going to do is we're just going to pop out one of these, another one, and then we're going to need 6 of these, and then we're going to save half of it for later. We're going to melt this at 30-second increments on high on your microwave. The container will be hot, so watch out. I'm using a towel to take it out of the microwave. What we're going to do is we're going to take our spoon. We're going to scoop some of the chocolate out, get a nice big spoonful, and then just pour it inside one of your molds. And then we're going to take the back of our spoon and we're going to press it up to the side so it covers the entire mold. Now this layer will be quite thin, so we're going to make 2 layers after this cools. So now that we have our molds filled with our chocolate, we're going to refrigerate this for at least 30 minutes to an hour in the fridge, of course. And then we're going to come back and do our second layer. I have just double coated these with 2 layers of chocolate. So I just repeated the last process over again, and now they're all good. So now what we want to do is that we want to pop them out of the molds. And this is a difficult task. So all you really want to do is that you want to go around the rim, and you just kind of want to pull the rubber plastic away, and you kind of just want to slowly pop it out, not too fast. Want to get all the edges, and then there, half a sphere. And I have a separate plate that I'm just going to be placing them on. Now that we have our chocolate, our half spheres, very noisy, our next step is going to require us to be on the stovetop. We have our chocolate spheres right here, and then we have our hot chocolate mix, and then we have our marshmallows in the background, and then we have a small frying pan, and what we're going to do is we're going to turn the heat on. There we go. We're going to keep it on low and low only. We're going to place the mold upside down onto the edges and stick it on there until the surface is flat, and then we're going to place it over here. Then we're going to take our second mold. We're going to do the same exact thing, and then we're going to put our hot chocolate mix inside this one, and if you want to add marshmallows, onto this one. And then we're going to take the one that has just been melted, and we're going to put it on top so it makes a perfect sphere. And I'll show you the entire process, and I'll go step by step. Grasp it. Be careful not to burn yourself. Wait for it to melt up just a tiny bit. Like that. And set that off to the side. And then we're going to have our hot chocolate mix. We're going to pour about maybe a teaspoon or a tablespoon, depending on how much hot chocolate you want. And then we're going to throw in 3 to 4 mini marshmallows. Perfect. Then we're going to take our second sphere, half sphere, I should say, and we're going to do the same exact thing. Do not burn yourself. We have 3 hot chocolate pops. Now, if you're not happy with one, what you can basically do is that you can either take it apart and then redo the process again, or you could take your finger and smooth out the edges of where the just melted chocolate is. I'm going to refrigerate these for about in 15 minutes, and then you can enjoy them. They're super easy. I love to make these. Thank you all for joining, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!